Hello, everyone. Welcome to BilisummaaShow with Wayesa. According to Oromia Media Network, Oromia Media Network for the second time has been jammed by the Ethiopian government. If you don't know Oromia Media Network websites, their websites also been blocked by the Ethiopian government. Oromia Media Network uses Utel satellite to broadcast to Oromia. And on and off again for the second time, Oromia Media Network has been jammed by the Ethiopian government. You know what I call them? I call them Tigray government. I guess Oromia Media Network people over there, they want to be politically correct, so they call them Ethiopian government. You know what I call them again? I call them the Tigray government. If you don't know, Tigray government has been at war with Oromo people now for more than 20 years. Tigray government has been killing Oromo children, Oromo students, dismantle Oromo families, dismantle Oromo farmers. This has been going on now over 20 years, slowly dismantling anything Oromo. Now they are at war. The Tigray government, in my opinion, is at war with Oromia Media Network. You are watching Alternative Media. My name is Wayesa. Thank you so much for watching BilisummaaShow. Take care. Bye-bye.